Hello everyone, welcome to Ryzel. Today is the second class of Etsy course. This is the very important class because today we are going to discuss about the 4 business models that you can do on Etsy. So on Etsy, there are 4 business models. The first one is dropshipping, the second one is private label, the third one is product on demand, and the fourth one is digital products. So first we will discuss dropshipping. Let's move on to the screen. I will show you how dropshipping works and what is actually dropshipping is. So if I go and if I am on Etsy, I will go to beanies and winter hats, and you're seeing that different products, different hats are selling here. This hat is for $26.25. This hat is for $74.51. Etsy is an expensive marketplace because all of the products on Etsy mostly are handmade. So people on Etsy, the population of Etsy, like the traffic of Etsy, they don't focus on the price of products. Rather, they focus on the quality of product. If it's a handmade, they pay a good price for the product. They're willing to buy the product expensive if it's a handmade and if it's a quality product. So the dropshipping means that you source a product from the cheap marketplace and sell it on the expensive marketplace, and the difference in between the both prices, the marketplaces, is actually your profit, and that's how you earn on Etsy through dropshipping. So here it is $26.25 for this hat, and if I go to Amazon and if I search here for winter hats and press enter, I'm seeing here like this hat is for $17.99. This one is for $21.99. Now you are seeing that there is a 12-pack winter beanie hats for men, women. Now pack of 12 is selling for $21.99. But on Etsy, only one hat is selling for $23.22. Here you can see also that this one is selling for $3.78. This one is for $19.24, $30, $19.77, $49, and different selling prices. So $46.44. If I go to Amazon, I will search for hats, and you can see I'm getting hats and gloves in only $19.99. Now if I want to sell it on Etsy, it's $19.99. I will list it on Etsy as a seller, and I will show that I'm a seller and I'm selling this hat. I will source from here $19.99. I will list here for like $30. Alright, I will sell this product specifically. I will open the product. I will list on Etsy for $30. I will open the calculator so you can get the better idea. So I will sell on Etsy for $30.99. But from Amazon, I am getting this product at only $19.99. So I will minus $19.99 and I will get $11 as my profit. So when I list it on Etsy, I don't have to, I don't have to just collect the big inventory of these hats. I will not do anything. I will just simply copy these photos. I will copy the title. If I want to, I will copy the description. I will copy all the images. I will list it on Etsy. I will place the images. I will place attractive title. I will place it here on Etsy, and the price I will set on Etsy will be $30. All right. So I will place the price on $30.99 on Etsy. So whenever someone buys my hat from Etsy, from my store, I will send this listing. I will send this product from Amazon to the buyer on Etsy of my store. So in this way, I will pay $19.99 to Amazon to deliver the product to the buyer on Etsy, and after that, Etsy will give me $30.99 as my revenue. So if I minus the product cost or the sourcing cost from the selling price, I will get my profit. So this is a drop shipping. So the next one is private label business model. In private label business model, you actually source the inventory, you collect the inventory, or if you are the manufacturer of product, or if you have your own production, that actually counts in private label. And private label, there are different things like in private label, you don't have the variety of products. Like in dropshipping, you have variety of products. You go to Amazon, you find tons of products to sell on Etsy. You don't have to, invest on the inventory, to collect the inventory, to source the inventory. Like you don't need 1,000 pieces or 100 pieces. You just simply place the images. You just simply create a listing on Etsy, and if someone orders a certain product, you will simply source it from Amazon and send it to the buyer that ordered on Etsy. But on the private label, you must have your own product, the product in your hand. Like if I'm selling this at, I must have this product in my hand, so I have to make this product, specifically this product, and I will sell this. So I will not have the variety as this. Like most of us can only make this hat and not this one, or not this one, or not this one, but specifically this. So we will not have the variety of products in the private label. In the private label, it will be your own brand. You will sell in the product from your own name. So this is a private label business model, and this you will not have the variety. But on the private label, the profit margins are high. If you have the one good product, and you are selling it on Etsy, you then earn a good profit margin rather than the profit margin in dropshipping. In dropshipping, the profit margins are low, but you have variety. You can upload like 1,000 of your products on Etsy and sell them, because you are not, you're not investing on production or on creation of product or anything else like that. So that's why in the private label you have good profit margins. Now the third one is product on demand. So now what is product on demand? I will make the complete video on it, but just let me show you and clear the concept of product on demand. If I type customize t-shirt, let's see. So product on demand means that people can order the product, and they will have a little customization. They can do a little customization in the product while ordering it. Like if I go to this product, I will open this. Now this is this seller is doing a POD, product on demand. Now you can see he's offering me a little customization. If I order this shirt, I can paste text or the photo here. I can give the seller a photo or text here. Like if I want to write be a Ryzel on the shirt, I will type here be Ryzel. I will select the primary color, I will select the size of the shirt, and I will place the order. When the product will be delivered to me, be Ryzel will be written on this shirt here. Now here are some examples. You can see he ordered the if someone ordered the plain t-shirt without any personalization, they will send the t-shirt exactly like this. You can choose fonts or any other thing like this as another customization. Okay, so this is basically product on demand. I will show you how product on demand works. Actually, there are some sites from where you can source the product, like Printful or Printify are providing the services of product on demand, and they can be integrated with Etsy. So this is product on demand, in which you offer customers the customizable products when they order it. And now the fourth one is digital products. Digital products are very good way to earn money on Etsy. And this business model, you don't need any investment or any big investment. Like you will only need $50 to $60 for ads only if you are a designer by yourself. So what is digital products? Digital products are those which are not tangible. These are intangible products like SVGs, PNGs, JPGs, and all other products. Like if I search here for Mickey SVG, and the Mickey SVG, we are seeing this product as $19.49. If I open this product, you are seeing that this is a digital download. The seller is offering is 60,000 plus mega SVG bundle, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Frozen, non-idle, etc. If you read the description, you are seeing that 101 Dalmatians, Buns Life, Aladdin. I will get all these stickers, but not in the physical form. I will receive them in the digital form. Like if I will add to basket, I will pay the price if I'm a customer. The PDF or the digital file that is included in this listing will be downloaded. So in digital products, a seller does not have to fulfill the order. It is automatically fulfilled. Like you just have to create the listing for one time only. If you create the listing one time, and after that you will upload the files of that particular product, when the customer will buy from you, you don't have to do any fulfillment. You don't have to go to any delivery service and to deliver the product, but rather it will be downloaded to your customer's laptop or phone or whatever he is using. So this is the beauty of digital products, that you don't need to fulfill any thing. It is automatically downloaded and you will receive the order and you will receive the payment. While in product on demand, in drop shipping, and in private label, when customer is ordering a custom like a product, you must have to fulfill the order. Whenever you receive the order, you must have to fulfill the order, like you must have to deliver it to the customer through any delivery service or any other way that suits you. So these are the 4 business models on Etsy. If you have any questions, just let me know. I will clear that out in any business model. So that's all for today. Now in the next classes, we will discuss all these business models and how to work on these business models in detail. Thank you very much for today. Don't forget to share the video, like the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.